Hi, I'm DC Livers for Black Press Radio and Quarantine Cuisine. I am so happy. Thank you so much to Martha's Table. They sent over this care package with an onion, some broccoli, some fresh ears of corn, lemons, 3 beautiful apples, 2 kiwi, 2 potatoes, sweet potato, and some green. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so happy to get this. This is also just super nice. Thank you for thinking of me. I appreciate it. For Black Press Radio and Quarantine Cuisine, I'm DC Livers, and today I have been gifted some wonderful fruits and vegetables from our friends over at Martha's Table. And I'm super excited to talk to you guys about what Rodney McLeod is doing with back of house. So I'll talk about that a little bit later. But first I'm going to show you how I clean the greens. So I spent a lot of time cleaning greens as a kid, so I know how to do this. So you definitely want to make sure you wash them really good. Put some salt in the water and just let them soak. And when you're comfortable with it, where you don't see any dirt, don't feel any grime, go for it. Then you want to use onions, okay, to season them. It's going to be great. So just go ahead and add as many onions as you feel you need. Please remember this is going to be a heartbreaking shrinkage, and even though it's overflowing currently, trust me, when you're done, you're just going to have enough to eat, okay? But add a lot of onions and stuff to the water because it's going to turn into what we call pot liquor, which is basically green juice. Season it really well with whatever you have. This is some garlic. I don't have much left, but I just got to have at least a juice or something. I put some cayenne pepper, some black pepper, and the only hot sauce I can find, and that's the best it's going to be for today. Black Press Radio and Quarantine Cuisine Week 7. I'm DC Livers, and in my entire life, I have never known anybody to ever make collard greens in a microwave. And I'm horrified to be the person, but it's actually kind of exciting because there are greens with little bacon bits and onions that are translucent. And you see that? Pot liquor. Actually, they taste pretty good. Tastes really good. But I need them to cook more because I need them to be, where I need them to be. So I put them in for already like 10 minutes. I'm going to do another 10. You want your onion to look like that. Okay? It needs to be translucent like that. There it is. I told myself, man, these greens look amazing. They smell like Thanksgiving. I have the corn, the fresh corn, already put inside of the cornbread, but I gotta add a little bit more because I think it might be just too much water. I am about to have steamed broccoli with corn, a little piece of sweet potato because I don't have too much food, and then I'm making mashed potatoes. Boom! The fried chicken. If it's gonna be Harvest Fest, it might as well be Harvest